Good morning. For our form today, we are going to be using our pencils. We will start by marking our paper with two center dots here in the middle, one above, one below. And you should use, again, a yellow pencil. I am only using my green pencil so it will be easier to see in the video. So after you make these two dots, you're going to make two more dots to create a diamond here in the center of your paper. And then two more dots beside those, here and here. And then you will add a dot here, a dot here, to make a zigzag pattern on this side, and then you will mirror it on this side as well. 1 and 2. So this is a bit close for me. I'm going to make a bit of a distance because what we're looking for is 3 diamonds. 1, 2, and 3. But we're not done. We need 18 dots here. So we're going to add another layer of 4 on top, still in a zigzag pattern from these 3. So it's like alternate. 3, 4, and the same below. 1, 2, 3, 4. So at the end, you need 4 dots up here, 3 dots here, 4 dots again, 3 dots again, and 4 again. So remember, before you pause, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4. And they should form zigzags. Your dots should be forming zigzags from each other. Alright? So you can now pause here and place your dots. 18 dots. Alright? Pause here. So I want my form to be blue. I'm going to use my light blue pencil to trace the form. And I will start with this one on this corner. I'm going to go, this is another braid knot, so I'm going to go from here, from beyond the dot, okay, because remember before when we made the braid, we went between the dots, and we will do the same here. So here I will go, and I will cross the middle of the form here, like an X, okay. I will hold the paper and I will carefully, from here at the top, go to the middle until I reach the end here. Then I will continue, go here until I reach the corner, but I will actually go up, okay. So watch out first. Then I will be bouncing off of this edge, going here. Then I reach another edge, I bounce off, go to the middle here, and then I will bounce from this edge, going back to the corner. And then now it's time to cross the middle of the whole form again. So watch, crossing to the other edge outside of the corner dot, and then I will go back in, make the mirror form here, go up, mirroring this line, going back to the outer right part of the whole form, bounce from that wall, make another corner here, then go back in, and then I go back to the start. Okay, so all of this was made with just one stroke. So follow along please with your finger, try to move with me. Alright, so the paper you have now, if you make mistakes, it's okay. It can be your scratch paper, then you can do it again at the back. Okay, so pause here and try to do this shape. Okay, alright, now we are going to go through our form again, and for filling in, we are going to outline it first. So we are going to go over and under using a darker pencil. So I'm going to start from this side, under, go over. So you don't have to touch it just yet because we can thicken it later. And stop, go under. Over, stop, go under. Over, stop. Alright, so I followed it all the way around. Now I'm going to do the other side. Make sure you close the first line before you go to the other side. Now you can do it with the same color, or you can make a variation. Maybe I will make a variation. I want to pick the shiny yellow here, just for fun. So I'll go outside here, and I'll match the other side. Okay, so because my pencil is lighter, when I went over the base color, became a bit green, but that's fine. So now that I've gone through the whole shape, maybe you can't see it, I'll make it go closer. I went through the whole shape. There you can see it's glowing, and each side should match. So for example, in this line, it went over, so both the dark blue and the fluorescent yellow went over, so they should match on both sides. And now we can color in with our base color, but you can pause here before you do that. Now all you have to do is to shade your form in. So using the same color that you started with when you made the lines, we're going to go in the two lines that you did, and making sure to go over and under. Make sure you stop at the edges of the lines, go over the line you are currently doing. And then you can shade a little more under, like this. So you can hold your pen a bit differently, however it will feel comfortable. So usually when we write, we do this. You can ease your hand up a bit, and then stop at the edge. When you go under, shade, and then start again on the other side. And again, you can leave some to be a bit shinier. So here I'll show you one. I'll make this line a bit shiny by leaving out a white space in the middle, like this. But I'll still put a shadow near that line that goes over it, leaving a bit of a white space in the middle. And there your form is at the end. You can look at it and see what colors you would like to shade it with, something that will blend well with it. And then you can hide the dots you made. For me, they are green. And there it is. So you can write the date here and then submit your form, and you can make a practice page before you do the actual one at the back.